Three, 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 three.
Option 3.
All right, this is option 3. Pretty cool one that I was telling you about. I just learned this, so kind of excited to share it with you. Okay, here I am. So a little bit different. Has an animation, so it might make a little more sense to you. I'm going to explain it as it goes through, and then you can decide if you like this option or not. So here's option 3. Again, same square that I had before, because I can tell I went over 2 and up 1 to draw that line. So I got a tilted square. This should have an area of 5, just like the other one, and you might already see it, how we could close it in here. And we would go over 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 9, subtract out those pieces. So here's this third option. All right. So first, same thing. We're going to enclose this whole thing in perfectly inside of the square. All right. And it's going to look just like we did before, right? So all those are area of 1. You just saw it. You believe me. Great. Okay. Now, the next thing that's going to happen is that we're actually going to combine them. So you're going to see them flip like that. Okay. So we took that one piece. We took this piece that was right here. And I can back it up a little bit, I think. Okay. We took this. Yep. Right there. So we took these pieces and we just flipped them over slowly until they matched up here. Pretty cool, right? So we did those two things, and now the last thing we're going to do is we're actually going to slide it up just like that. Oh, and it's going to restart for us. And I'll let it go back through for you. So when it gets there, then we flip them down, those pieces onto themselves, slide it up, and we get this. Okay. Kind of the cool thing about this way is you're going to see that, hey, look at this. We've got one square here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 squares there. So that has an area of 5. By taking those pieces, flipping them, and then sliding one of the pieces up, you kind of get this perfect one where you can actually see that those are still perfect squares in there. We took those red pieces out, and when we're not using these red pieces, you'll see that there's 5 left. This is a pretty cool thing. Hadn't seen before, but I kind of like what it's doing. And you can kind of see right here, look, this was 1 by 1, and then we had a 2 by 2. Can you see those? A 2 by 2 and a 1 by 1. Crazy. So this is pretty cool, this way right here. You don't have to do it that way. You do it whatever way you can, but you will have some practice problems for tomorrow where you'll be calculating areas of perfect squares, ones that are straight, right? Finding how many squares are in there, and then ones that are tilted, okay? That'll be what you do for Tuesday. So if you have any questions, holla at your boy.